YouTube, my favorite platform out there. I'm gonna show you exactly how we were able to take a channel from basically just a few hundred subscribers to thousands of subscribers, and how you can use this YouTube ad strategy to grow your brand. I'm gonna break it down on my screen. These videos may be boring, but you're gonna learn something. You're gonna get more leads and you'll get more sales if you actually follow through. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands, and I share my screen, break it down. I want you to learn this. I want you to get results. I want you to grow your business. And YouTube ads is my favorite. I look for a few things. Where can I get low cost attention, build relationships, and then get leads? All right, so let's not wait any longer. Depending on what type of business you're in, this is gonna show you exactly the case study of the client. It's gonna show you how to set it up on your own. Then it's gonna show you the tools I use so you can copy and paste them. All right, so here's a client we've been working with for about 6 months. And what he does is he has a professional online service in the financial space. He spends about $1,700 a month on YouTube ads. Just last month, he got 7 new leads and customers from this, and he's getting a 9 ROAS. What we want to look for is top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel, which you all are doing wrong. A lot of people set up an ad and you just say, click on my thing and buy. No one likes you, no one trusts you yet. You got to build a relationship. You got to get the follower. You got to get the subscriber for YouTube. Then when they're ready to buy, they'll purchase from you. So when we go and look at the platform details, he gets about 280 subscribers with this $1,700 a month. That's fine, but people don't subscribe. You're probably watching this video and probably never subscribed to my channel before. Don't forget to subscribe because it helps the channel. But even if somebody doesn't subscribe to your YouTube video, they're in your pixel and they're gonna start seeing your retargeting. So yeah, 20,000 video views is more important than the subscriber count. So out of 20,000 people, if we go back to the results, now we can retarget them with this 30% budget and 20% budget here. That is the key. Now, if you want this full system and you wanna copy this, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you this full calculator and show you how to set this up. Now, let's look at the 3 months growth projections. This is pretty normal for the clients if you do the 3 systems right and you focus on retargeting. Retargeting is the key. So what we're gonna do is build a compounding effect system. We're gonna show your YouTube videos to 200,000 people. We're gonna get 1,400 clicks. We're gonna get potentially 4 leads or 4 sales from this, depending on how good you are at business, and about 280 subscribers, remember, with this 1,700 in ad spend. From there, month 2, now everyone in month 1 is gonna see you in month 2, so we're gonna double our clicks, we're gonna get a few more subscribers, but we're gonna get more leads learning about you because now they've seen you 2 or 3 times. We're gonna get more sales. Now, month 3 is where the magic happens. Now, everyone from month 1 trusts you or they don't like you yet. If they trust you and they're ready to buy, they're gonna start buying. That's where you're gonna double your conversion. So if you can wait this out, set aside a little money for ads and build this system out, everyone from month 1 will start buying in month 3, which is the key. That's the number one thing because frequency matters. And if you look at my frequency tab, I need to show, you've seen it in my other videos. You gotta show your ad 24 times on 3 different channels before somebody's ready to buy. Back in the day, it was 7 times. Now it's 24 times. So what we need to do is show them at least 8 different organic or ads on each platform. We need to follow up with emails by building relationships. They need to see you 21 times over those 3 months. You're gonna see we're gonna show your videos 8 times on YouTube. We're gonna reach 75% of those people if you set this up right, and we want to make sure we're sending those emails. Now, your YouTube video can't be all sales. They have to be helpful, organic content. So when you post this, we don't want to just do that pre-roll YouTube ad, which I'm going to show you my ad platform in a second that you can learn from. You can set this up on your own. You don't want to be the one that says, hey, you have to watch my video before you watch your favorite streamer. We want to show it on the side. So over here is a recommended video. Below, it's going to say that they can click and sign up or they can watch. That's really the key here. And then what we want to do is start building out that audience. So we want to start looking at everyone that visits your website and everyone that's seen your pixel and everyone that's watched your YouTube video. And then we want to start showing your YouTube videos to them over and over and over. So anyone that came from Meta, TikTok, Google, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you have those visitors that you can start showing and seeing all this data. If you use some of our partners, you can go see what pages that they were on, where they came from, when they were on there, how many times they've been to the site, and then you can throw them back in your Google pixel so you can start retargeting them with YouTube ads. All right, this is what you need. Step number 2, you need to create a Google ad account and you need to connect your YouTube channel. You got to connect your Google Tag Manager. You got to make sure Google Analytics is set up. You got to make sure it's synced with your website so you can start retargeting. It sounds like a lot. You can either hire a freelancer to do it. You can spend hours and hours and hours learning how to do it on your own. You can have someone like my team set it up for you. It's totally up to you. Once you get all verified in Google Ads, you're going to click Create Campaign, New Campaign. Easy. Then what we want to do is the next step. Create a campaign without guidance. I don't care about these other things. I want to go and create a video campaign here that's going to show on YouTube and other networks. Now they're going to give you all these options for you to choose from. Step number one, if I go back here and we look at platform details, what we want to do, remember where I told you we want 50% top of funnel. This is where 50% of your budget should go. So in top of funnel, this is the number one, video views. Now, if we go back here and we set up middle of funnel, we want to focus on subscriptions and engagement. And then when we get to bottom of funnel, we want to focus on drive conversions. All right, you got that? Let me know if you have questions in the comments. Top of funnel, 50% of your budget goes to video views. What's that? That's going to get more of your ideal audience to watch your video. That's going to get more people to subscribe, and it's going to get them on your pixel. Middle of funnel, 30% of your budget needs to go to subscriptions and engagement. Get people to comment, get people to click on the link, get people to subscribe. Then the last one, 20% of your budget, is where you can actually say, click the thing, go get the thing. So today we're going to go to video views and we're going to click on continue. Now, what we want to do is we want to really be strategic about what type of YouTube videos we want to put in here. This should be your normal YouTube videos. This is educational, helpful, teachable content. This video I'm making right now, I should turn into a YouTube ad and just show to all of my visitors and to show to a new audience, because I'm teaching you how to set up YouTube ads. So what's helpful? You should be making these anyways, and if you're not, you're missing out. At least do one a week, educational, helpful content, teaching someone something, being the professor, being the educator, helping, and in return, they're going to learn from you, and then they're going to get into your ecosystem, into your pixel, and you can start retargeting them with more strategic videos. From there, the number one thing you want to do is shut off skippable in-stream ads and short ads. You only want to be in-feed ads. In-feed ads are the ones that are going to be recommended and helpful, showing on the side. When somebody watches someone else's video, it's going to show you your video down below. Then what I like to do is just set up a daily budget, set aside that budget. You're going to put in your 50% here, target your location, target your language. I'm not an EU ad, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go all the way down here. So this is where we want to start building out audiences. I have other videos that teach you how to build out the audience, but basically you want to show this video to anyone that watches your competitors' videos and anyone that's been to your competitors' websites and or anyone that has searched for your topic. As an example, if somebody's looking for fitness and nutrition tips, you want to go to other fitness and nutrition YouTube channels, show your ad to them. You want to go to Google and say, if anyone searched for this in the past or in the future, show my video to them. And if anyone's been to these websites, show my ad to them. That's how you build up your ideal audience. Feel free to play around with this and build it up. Once you make one, you'll be able to use it for all your future YouTube ads. Then you want to go set up all your keywords. What I like to use is use like something like ChatGPT. Say, what are all the keywords people are typing into Google or YouTube to find this? Then this is where you're going to go to your YouTube channel. You're going to grab your YouTube link. You're going to copy it. You're going to paste it. And now you've got your video. From there, you don't want to set the final URL to go to your website, because we don't want people to start going to your website yet. They don't like you. They don't trust you. It's just a waste of time. What you want to do is go to your YouTube channel and copy that link. And I have a cool little tip for you that I'm going to show you now. Go copy that link. You're going to paste it here. Now you ready for the secret trick? Just Google it. You're going to say YouTube subscribe link and click to subscribe link generator, paste your channel in there, hit generate. Here's your link. Copy that, go back to your ad and paste it in here. Don't tell anyone I told you about this. It's going to obviously confirm that it's me. So what you want to do is when you go paste that and hit enter, it's going to basically force them to subscribe. This is me making videos in real time. I need to go verify this. Give me a second. But you can see the subscribe button right here and two-factor authentication all day long. Send it to the wrong phone number. Now the right phone number. Don't you guys love two-factor authentication? My friend, my video editor, why don't you just keep this in the video? You don't have to delete this part. I mean, this happens to everyone. This is real life stuff that's happening. All right, when somebody sees your video and they click, it's basically saying you have to subscribe. That's going to increase your subscribers. That's the number one way. All right, I'm going to show you one more secret thing. So we need to do these long headlines. We need to do descriptions. What I like to do is use this software called Ojoy here. It's really cool software, and it's not like ChatGPT. ChatGPT just gives you generic stuff. This is like your professional copywriter. It uses professional copywriters like Frank Kern and all these people, and it's going to actually write the copy. It's not going to add emojis. It's not going to add those M dashes. And you're basically going to say, hey, go write my entire ad copy for my video here so I can copy and paste it back in. And there we go. Now we've got strategic ad copy. What you can also do is give it the transcription from your video, and it'll actually write the ad copy perfectly for this ad. All right, from there, what we want to do is do the recommended cost per video view here, because they're going to recommend, hey, it's to compete with other people, it's going to cost you this much. So why don't you make it this much? Now, magically on the right, you're going to see my weekly estimates, how many views I'm going to get, 0.01 to 0.04 cost per view. Numbers are outrageous, but you're gonna get so many more views, subscribers, and leads from this strategy. All right, just like I promised you, it's all about setting this up right. And once you set it up right, it's about your ads. What ads are gonna make somebody want to work with you and build a relationship with you? So that's where I wanna invite you. Once you download my system, you'll be invited to the ad calculator and my entire membership area where every week I say, hey, these are the best converting ads. Go copy and paste them for yourself. And these are the best YouTube videos to make to get the best results. This video brought you any value. It'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you wanna learn more about YouTube and YouTube marketing, check out my playlist right here. I've been able to build this entire ecosystem from ranking these videos #1 on Google search and getting more leads from it. So again, thank you for watching. I hope it brought you value, and I'll see you on my next